Okay, hello, stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy is a question, which I'll be answering in this brief and short 1 minute video. And by the way, having done this for over 45,000 videos in 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Clearly just the only thing that I would freaking care about is doubling down and buying more. Oklo is like one of those things where it was just been pumping, you know. Now, yes, it's $71. And at the point, it was 21 when I made that video, which is like now almost 9 months ago. From where we currently are, I'll just get rid of all this stuff. Here is my demand zone. And basically, if it doesn't pull down and if it does not show me the shift, then there's just no way that I'll look to buy. Very simple. That's where we're at. It's not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned, of course, just click the first link in the description. I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. And yeah, I'm just waiting for rules. That's it. Goodbye and enjoy.